welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a clear slime, a clear glitter slime. So these are the things that I will be using today. I'm using a spoon, a mixing utensil or a bowl, clear glue, blue food coloring, and blue glitter. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my glue and I'm going to pour in, I think I'm going to do, I'm not sure, I'm going to do like half the bottle. It's about half of the bottle or a little more maybe. Okay. Go ahead and set that aside. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and color it blue. I do not want this to be a dark blue because the glitter is not that, it's actually kind of like a teal blue. So I don't want this to be a dark blue. So I only added 1 drop of food coloring. Mix that up until you get all the food coloring mixed in. You can make this whatever color you guys would like. Whatever glitter you would like, does not matter. And you can also add more food coloring if you would like. So glitter is kind of a mess, so I'm going to open this above that. I'm going to try. Okay, there we go, got it. Okay, so glitter is very kind of hard to work with. So that's why I do not, yeah, right, okay. Do not do glitter on my channel that much. I don't personally like glitter that much. I mean, I love the look of glitter, but I just do not like handling with it. But I thought this slime would be a must-have, and it looks really cool. So I just wanted to make it. I'm actually going to go ahead and add a little more glitter. Okay. That is probably enough. I'm going to go ahead and put that back in my cabinet along with my clear glue and my food coloring. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and mix this up. So I am going to be using laundry detergent for my activator. I want this, it might turn it a little bit of a more teal color, but I kind of want it to be that galaxy teal-y blue color, so that is okay. I do not mind if it turns mine a different color. But if you do not want that to happen, I would either stick to borax and water or going in with contact lens solution and baking soda. But this does not turn it that big of a difference. I don't even know if we see that big of a difference in color, so that is good. So yeah, this is a slime. I'm going to add a tiny bit more of the laundry detergent really quickly. And yeah, I actually am going to be posting 2 videos today, so stay tuned for my next video. It is going to be on Model Magic. I'm going to make some butter slime. This is still a little sticky. I'm going to be making butter slime. So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like this video. Comment down below what video I should do next. And, yeah, guys. Thanks for watching. And I will see you on the next video, which will be in like 15 minutes.